Hey guys, it's James here. Saturday, March 11th. Back in the creek. I got something. Uh, this couple trees here is falling in the creek, washing out. It started this gravel bar, so it's pretty good size. Standing here in between these two trees. Anyway, hope everybody's doing good. Check it out, see what we got. That's cool. Oh yeah, that's sweet. It's like it's made off plate. Sorry. That's pretty cool. It's about 9:15, 9:30. I'll start the day that way. Got a little late start today, so hope all's doing well. It's cool. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, it's James here. Saturday, March 11th. Yeah, I flipped this out my stick already, but tool or something. Anyway, check it out. It is an artifact, I guess. Flipped it out and seen that. Decent scrapers. I don't know. Something they threw away, probably. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, it's James here. Still Saturday. I got another work piece. Let's check it out. Same rock bar. I flipped it too. No bottle top there. Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, it's James here. Still Saturday, March 11th. Yeah, it looks like I got something that's broke, I'm sure, but it looks like it would have been a killer. Anyway, let's check it out. See what we got. You can see them teeth on that. I'm pretty sure it's broke. Yep, just a piece of wood. Oh, would have been a toothy son of a gun. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, it's James here. Still Saturday, March 11th. It's about 11 o'clock. I'm walking this gravel bar here. Not too bad. Anyway, the other day I walked up creek. Today I'm walking down creek. So, footprint there. I stepped here and some sand fell off my boot. Yep. That kind of looks like a point. Are you serious? Yeah, it's a point. I'll be darned. Look at that. Oh, crazy, man. That is crazy. It's not the prettiest thing, but daggone it, it's safe now. That's the whole point, man, saving these artifacts so people don't walk in the creek and break them. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.